Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Chevy Silverado key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This entire process is quick and easy, typically taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started with opening the fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of your Chevy Silverado key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, separate the two halves of the fob. They should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should pop out easily. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive or plus side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's sealed. Now, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm everything is working correctly. You should be good to go. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.